Yoruba language has 18 consonants and 7 oral vowels. 18 consonants and 7 oral vowels as follow: a, aga, a, aga, as in apple. B, bata, B, bata, as in boy. D, dun dun, D, dun dun, as in dog. A, ehoro, A, ehoro, as in 8. Eshin, eshin, as in egg, as in egg. Fila, fila, as in feather or father. Garawa, garawa, as in go. B, baguda, pronounced as b. Horn, horn, as in hall. Igi, igi, as in igloo. Jiggy, jiggy, as in jog. Kokoro, kokoro, as in koala. Labalaba, labalaba, as in lie. Mangoro, mangoro, as in mom. Naira, naira, as in never. Ologbo, ologbo, as in oven. Obo, as in oil. Pepeye, pronounced p. Rakumi, rakumi, as in rice. Salubata, salubata, as in son. Shibi, shibi, as in shy. Tata, as in tie. Tu, as in true. Warapa, warapa, as in water. Yomu, as in yes. Again, a, aga, B, bata, D dùndún, E ehoro, ẹṣin, F fìlà, G garawa, Gb gbàgúdá, H ọrùn, I igi, J jígí, K kọ́kọ́rọ́, L labalábá, M mángòrò, N náírà, O ológbò, Ọ ọ̀bọ, P pẹ́pẹ́yẹ, R ràkúnmí, S sálúbàtà, Ṣ ṣíbí, T tata, U tú, W wárápá, Y yànmùyánmú. Please note, no standard Yoruba language word starts with the U vowel. However, in certain Yoruba dialects, such as the Ekiti and Ijesha dialect, a word can begin with U, as in Uro, a lie, and Ushu, yam, which is written in standard Yoruba as Iro and Ishu. There are 7 oral vowels in Yoruba. 7 oral vowels in Yoruba. A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U. Below are examples of the vowels with their English meaning. A, ajá, dog. E, erin, elephant. Ẹyẹ, bird. Imú, nose. Owó, money. Ọwọ́, hand. Ooru, heat. Remember that there is no standard Yoruba word that begins with the vowel U, which is you, except in some other Yoruba dialects, as mentioned earlier. Nasal vowels. Faweli Aromupe. Yoruba has 5 nasal vowels. Han, I, O, A, I, O, A as in Ibadan. As in Ibadan, a city in western Nigeria. As in Iyen. As in Iyen, that one. In as in Erin. In as in Erin, elephant. On as in Ibon. On as in Ibon, gun. As in Fun. As in Fun, to blow. While there is a distinction between and in standard Yoruba orthography, both are pronounced the same. Therefore, the nasal vowels in words like agbon, coconut, and iran generation are pronounced the same, though they are orthographically different. Consonants. Yoruba language has 18 consonants as found below. B, D, F, G, B, H, G, K, L, M, N, P, R, C, Sh, T, W, J. Note that the English alphabet C, Q, V, X, and Z or Z do not exist in Yoruba language. Consonants and their meaning in English language. B, bata. B, bata. Shoe. D, dun dun. D, dun dun. Fried yam. Fi, fila. Fi, fila. Hat. Gi, igi. Gi, igi. Tree. Gbi, gbogbo. Gbi, gbogbo. All. All. Jí, jọ̀wọ́. Jí, jọ̀wọ́. Please. Kí, kọ́kọ́rọ́. Kí, kọ́kọ́rọ́. Key. Lí, labalábá. Lí, labalábá. Butterfly. Mí, méjì. Mí, méjì. Two. Ní, nísinsìnyí. Ní, nísinsìnyí. Now. P, pátápátá. P, pátápátá. Completely. P, pátápátá. Completely. Rí, rìkísí. Rí, rìkísí. Conspiracy. Sí, salubata. Sí, salubata. Sandal. Ṣí, ṣíbí. Ṣí, ṣíbí. Spoon. Tí, tata. Tí, tata. Grasshopper. Wí, wàrà. Wí, wàrà. Milk. Yí, yum. Yí, yum. Mosquito. Mi and ni are considered nasal consonants. However, they can act in capacity as syllabic nasals because they behave like vowels on which tones can be marked. In other words, they can stand on their own just like a syllabic as follows. Adenrele, a de rele, name of a person. Bimbola, bola, dun, do, fried yam. Yoruba language has three primary but contrastive tones that are marked as follows: high, mid, and low. High as in be, to give birth to. Mid, usually left unmarked as in be, to ask. Low as in be, to vomit. So we have high, mid, low. B. B. However, there is also a downstep tone marked in the following, in which a high tone is followed by a high tone and a low tone, as in akẹ́kọ̀ọ́, a student. Akẹ́kọ̀ọ́, student. Ọlọ́pàá, police officer. Ọlọ́pàá. Tones can sometimes be marked on a nasal consonant as follows: Mò ń lọ, I am going. Mò ń lọ, I am going. Tones distinguish words when they contrast in Yoruba language as follows: Èrè, play. Èrè, gain. Benefit. Èrè, carved, wooden image. Èdè, shrimp. Èdè, language. Àṣà, custom. Àṣà, hawk, falcon. Owó, money. Òwò, trade. Ọwọ́, hand. Ọ̀wọ̀, respect.